Good morning, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out Aeonium, haworthii, Kiwi. Now, these are native to Morocco, but this is actually an unknown hybrid. And they're also called Dream Color or Variegata. I've seen some other names, tricolor. But they are usually tricolored, and mine just does not get enough sun. I keep it in full shade, so it just doesn't have the pink on there, but it will get it in the summertime. During this winter time when it's just growing like crazy, you can see almost just look like plain variegated Aeonium haworthii. So you can see here's some variability if you grow them in more sunlight. They look a bit different, but I really like growing them in a shady environment for that different look. It's just, to me, it's unique, and they're really stunning little petite plants. Now they will grow 2 to 3 feet in time, tall, and 1 to 2 feet wide. Now soil, they're gonna like well-draining soil. You can grow them in native soil in Southern California, at least, where I live. But I prefer to grow them in pots. They seem to grow a bit better, in my humble opinion. You can even grow them indoors. Just make sure it's well draining, sandy, loomy type of soil. Let that soil dry out in between waterings. If you water it too much, it's definitely gonna rot. And they are winter growers in our climate, zone 9B. San Diego. Just a really beautiful, beautiful plant. Really easy to propagate from a cutting. I wouldn't take something too small like this. I'd probably take something larger like this one and cut it down here, right about there, or on the side, one of these branches. Let it callus over, and you'll have plenty more of these beautiful little Aeoniums. I've never seen them flower, but they do have yellow flowers that are infrequent in my opinion, and it will be like a death bloom. These are monocarpic plants, so when they bloom, the mother branch will die. But you'll have plenty of pups, so you'll be okay. So there you go, give us a like and a subscribe, and hopefully you could go and check out some of our other videos on Aeoniums. You can see that I really, really enjoy them. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but look at this little guy. It's an unknown one, but it's crested. So crested Aeoniums are even more beautiful, which means it's flat here, see? Very different stem. All right, the beautiful, amazing Aeoniums.